Hey y'all, thank you for tuning into this video. This video will be about DIY reversible jacket. It's a great way to switch up the style. If you like the video, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button, guys. Enjoy. Yeah, guys, and don't forget to follow my business page, Fly Slaying. So we're gonna do a reversible jacket, and I am using these two blankets. I got them from Five and Below. Okay, so now guys, what you want to do is fold the plaid blanket in four. So fold this and then fold again. So then I just got a random sweater and I fold it in half, and the sleeves is all the way out. Don't forget about the extra piece because we're gonna cut out a piece and add it onto the sleeves. So after you cut it out, it should look like this. Make sure you cut middle in one of these so it could be the open part for the jacket. So the same way that I cut out the sweater from the plaid blanket, I'm doing it on top of the gray fur blanket. Take your time cutting it out, guys, and please add extra seam allowance. Okay guys, so once you cut out the pieces that you need, make sure that you turn the fabric inside out and then sew this part, the upper part, the inside, and also the other side. And also do the same with the plaid. So the front part, the inner side, and make sure you cut down the middle. And now it's time to attach both of them. But before we attach the two blankets together, make sure you do the pockets first. So I'm gonna cut this out, and then I'm gonna cut the extra plaid, the extra gray blanket, and then I'm gonna put it on that side. So your jacket should look like this before we attach them together. I'm sorry guys, I got confused for a second. But what I did was I turned the gray sweater inside out, and then I shoved it in the plaid sweater. I played with it and I made sure everything was aligned together because I wanted to make sure everything was perfect before I sew it. And here goes me attaching the other sleeve together. Guys, please take your time doing this because you do not want a crooked jacket. Take your time doing this. Now the job is done and it should look like this, okay guys? Now it's time to sew. So use a serger to sew this jacket, or if you don't have a serger, you could use a sewing machine, but do the zigzag stitch or a overlock. Just sew as close to the edge as possible, guys. And the job is done. Hey, I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ciao.